Introducing in the red square. This bot is so good, so efficient, and he wins so often that, frankly, it's getting a little annoying.
From Bournemouth, Razor.
This is me. I think it's apparent I need to rethink my life a little bit. What's my problem?
Oh my goodness me, I've never seen it before! They don't even know what happened to their hugely powerful bar spinner.
The time has come. Execute Order 66.
Looks utterly bizarre, to be honest.
So much has happened since I last saw you. I lost my hammer, like yesterday, so that's still pretty fresh. And you and I had a fight recently.
Did I win?
No, I won, easily.
Doesn't sound right.
Well, it's true.
I don't know what the fuck just happened, but I don't really care. I'ma get the fuck up out of here. Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Oh! Fast on forward underneath Mr. Psycho! Can they do it? Look at Mr. Psycho! That is a huge weight!
You're fired.
If I catch one more person drinking, you're fired! Popple! Oh no! Oh no! Oh yeah!
Guess who's back? Back again. What the?
Hey Siri, call my girlfriend.
Which one?
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
But the aerial's just between the eyes, and that could leave this crab scuttling sideways.
From Chertsey in Surrey, down to Micaiah.
Jesus C.H. Christ!
You know me. It's my duty to please that booty.
But sex.
After our penultimate head-to-head, here's what the leaderboard looks like.
Hey, fucker!
Oh, that's one of the nuts' two little mini bots out there. They push the pit and don't go further.
Oh, that's the man. But the little one pushed the pit.
Next week, I'll have the lot of you! Oh, I love you!
Whoop, there she is, there she is!
Eddie, you haven't put our money on that old boiler, have you?
Go on, me beauty. Mind the steps. That's a bit of a nasty tumble.
Eddie, she can't even walk!
Hang on. She's lost a couple of teeth. Spin them out, dear, they'll never notice.
Well, stop smiling, you stupid cow!